I'm going to surprise you. Split in Python splits a string into a list of characters. Here's some examples to see how split works. Just calling hi.split splits hi on any spaces. Obviously it has no spaces, so it returns a list containing just the string hi. Okay, let's add a space. Hi space I.split splits the string on spaces, meaning it returns a list containing the string h, then the string I. Even if you add a bunch of spaces between the h and I, split still returns the list containing h, then I. You don't have to just split on spaces though. If you pass one argument to split, you can split on a specific character. For instance, if you had Jenny's number, 8675309, and then split it on the dash character, you would get a list containing the string 867, then the string 5309. If you're wondering, you can't do something like hello and then split on the empty string and split hello into all of its characters. You could just pass some string like hello into the list constructor to achieve that goal though. The last thing, if you give split 2 arguments, you can specify the number of splits for split to do. Say you have 1 through 4 separated by a dash. Dash and 0 would give you a list with just the original string. If you pass in higher than 0, think of that like the number of bits that split will cut off. 1 will split the 1 off, 2 will split the 1 and 2 off, and so on for higher numbers. The strip string method in Python removes characters from both sides of the string the method is called on. By default, strip removes any space characters from both sides of the string. That means strip removes stuff like regular spaces, tab characters, and newline characters, as well as other space characters. If you specify a character, that removes every occurrence of that character from both sides of the string. In this case, potato sandwiched with Q's becomes just potato. If you specify multiple characters to strip, the result becomes quite interesting. When you use multiple characters, the string you pass in is looked at as a set of characters. In this case, every Q and P is removed from both sides of this string. What it doesn't do is look for every occurrence of the string QP together. Another consequence of the argument to strip being a set is that changing this argument to PQ would do nothing to change strip's effect on the string. It just matters that the characters are there, not the order they appear in. Like and subscribe to learn more.